Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the disk write error on Steam. This is a simple way to troubleshoot download issues and get back to gaming quickly. First, exit Steam completely, make sure all Steam-related tasks are closed. Next, locate the Steam app on your computer, right-click the icon, and select Run as Administrator. If the error persists, open your Steam library and right-click the game causing the issue. Select Properties, click the Installed Files tab, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. If that doesn't work, click Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. Select the Downloads tab and click Clear Download Cache. If the error still continues, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Steam. Be sure to back up any important data before doing this. And that is it. You have just learned how to fix the disk write error on Steam. Enjoy uninterrupted downloads and smooth gameplay. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.